Hi, it's Miss Barbara here for Valentine Storytime, and we're going to do some flannel board stories today, or songs for Valentine's Day. So the first one we're going to do is called 5 Pretty Valentines. And I'm going to put 5 pretty Valentines on the flannel board. So can you help me count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count them again, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Valentine shapes. And what shape is a Valentine? Do you know? It's a heart, just like my necklace. See here? Can you see it? It's a heart. I wore that today since we're doing Valentines. So we have 5 Valentine hearts. And it goes like this. 5 pretty Valentines. I bought them at the store. I sent one to Holly, and now there are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Now we have 4. 4 pretty Valentines, pretty ones to see. I sent one to Jacqueline, and now there are 3. How many? 1, 2, 3. 3. Very good. 3 pretty Valentines, yellow, red, and blue. I gave one to Charlie, and now there are 2. 1, 2. 2 pretty Valentines. Oh, what fun! I gave one to Logan, and now there is 1. Here's 1, ready? 1 pretty Valentine. This story's almost done. I gave this one to Leo, and now there are none. That's a good one. Now remember I said what shape is the Valentine? It's the shape of a heart. And do you know what a heart means? A heart means I love you. And I have a special song that we're going to do. Let me move this a little closer so you can see it. We have H, E, oops, fell down, E, A, R, T, and H-E-A-R-T spells what word? Do you know? Who knows what word that spells? Does Charlotte know? It spells heart. And the song goes like this. It says, there is a shape and it means love, and heart is its name. Oh, H-E-A-R-T, 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 and heart is its name. Oh, now we're going to take one letter away. That's the H. And we're going to say, there is a shape and it means love, and heart is its name. Oh, and we're going to clap. Ready? E-A-R-T, 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 and heart is its name. Oh, see, it's very much like bingo. Remember when we used to sing bingo with Bingo the dog? Okay, so now we're going to sing again. I'm going to take the E away. Ready? There is a shape and it means love, and heart is its name. Oh, A-R-T, 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 and heart is its name. Oh, so now we're going to take away the A. Bye-bye, A. So now we're going to do 3 claps. Ready? There is a shape and it means love, and heart is its name. Oh, R-T, 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 and heart is its name. Oh, very good. Now we're going to take away the R. Bye-bye, R. Bye-bye, R. So we have one left, and that's a T. So we're going to do 4 claps. Ready? There is a shape, and it means love, and heart is its name, oh. T, 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 and heart is its name, oh. Now we're going to take it away. Now we have to clap 5 times. Can we do it? There is a shape, and it means love, and heart is its name, oh. And heart is its name, oh. Very good. Okay, we have one more. And this is another one with 5 hearts. But in this time, instead of taking them off, we're going to put them on. So we're going to start with number 1. 5 little hearts all in a row. The first one said, I love you so. The second one said, will you be my Valentine? The third one said, if you'll be mine. The fourth one said, I'll always be your friend. And the fifth one said, we're friends till the end. So those are our Valentine flannel board songs for today. Thank you for joining me, and have a happy Valentine's Day. Bye.